A massive march will be conducted tomorrow towards Hyderpura in Srinagar to pay tribute to the icon of Kashmir resistance movement Syed Ali Geelani on his second martyrdom anniversary. Syed Ali Geelani embraced martyrdom in the custody of Indian police on 1st September 2021 at his residence in Srinagar, where he was kept under continued house arrest for over a decade. New Delhi controlled State Investigation Agency has arrested 8 innocent civilians under the black law in the Doda district. The SIA in a statement said that all the arrested persons, Adil Farooq Faridi, Muhammad Iqbal, Mujahid Hussain, Tariq Hussain, Ishtiyaq Ahmed Dev, Ijaz Ahmed, Jamil Ahmed and Ishfaq Ahmed have been charged sheet in the TADA court in Jammu. Second martyrdom anniversary of the veteran Kashmiri Hurriyat leader Syed Ali Geelani will be observed tomorrow 1st September. All parties Hurriyat Conference has called for a march towards the Hyderpura graveyard where Syed Ali Geelani is buried. All pro-freedom organizations have supported the call. The APHC has also urged the imams and khatibs to hold special prayers for the veteran leader and other Kashmiri martyrs in their mosques. All parties, Hurriyat Conference leaders and organizations paying rich tribute to the martyred veteran leader Syed Ali Geelani have reiterated the Kashmiris' resolve to continue its mission till logical conclusion. Syed Ali Geelani throughout his life championed the right to self-determination of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and advocated the settlement of the Kashmir dispute in line with the UN resolutions. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention orders under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act against 4 persons and directed the authorities to release them. A bench quashed the PSA detention of Imran Ahmed Ganai, Saqib Akbar and Shakir Bashir Kumar and ordered their immediate release. A big rally will be held in Muzaffarabad tomorrow to mark the second martyrdom anniversary of the veteran Kashmiri Hurriyat leader Syed Ali Geelani. The rally Jahde Musalsal is being organized by Paswane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir at Burhan Wani Shaheed Chowk to pay homage to Syed Ali Geelani, the icon of Kashmir resistance movement. Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid Srinagar has expressed deep grief and sorrow over the sad demise of Maulana Syed Ahmed Farooqi, the former Imam and Khatib of Dargah Hazrat Bal, who passed away on Monday after a brief illness. The Anjuman in a statement paid tribute to the deceased Imam for his religious services and leading prayers at the Dargah Hazrat Bal.